Hello guys! Do you have a problem that Zelle is not working? I will help you. There are several reasons why Zelle could not be working for you, but let's list them. Reason number 1. You may not have the Zelle app up to date. Zelle requires the latest version to function, so for that you will need to go on the App Store and update Zelle. Reason number 2. You inputted incorrect information. You may have accidentally typed the wrong phone number or wrong email whilst creating the account or logging in. But don't worry. Just restart the process, but double-check your inputted email and phone number this time. Reason number 3. Poor internet connection. Since Zelle requires a stable internet connection, the app will be unstable in the case that your internet is not working well. Reason number 4. Zelle servers are down. In this case, there is nothing you can do other than waiting for it. To check if the Zelle servers are down, you can go on downdetector.com or check official Zelle communications. Reason number 5. Your account has been hacked. In this very rare case, if you can't log into Zelle, your account may have been hacked. But don't fret. To recover it, you need to contact Zelle and tell them you are suspicious of your account having been hacked. To do so, visit the official Zelle website and contact support. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if this video helped you.